Whew, is it shooting?
Yeah.
So what's up, baby girl? How you doing? I
Bro,
honestly
why
think I
does it
just
feel
can't
like
hear you
it's
that much
been...
because my ears are blocked.
You're always sick. I'm always tired.
Anyway, sorry, go on. What's been
Here we
up,
are
baby girl?
again.
What's up, guys? We're back with all
Yes,
of the
sir, we're
usual
back.
problems we face.
Every single week, bro. Every single week. Nail in the coffin
Correct.
was my mouse now working. I'm like, shit, let's just stop doing this.
How have you not crashed out yet, bro?
I don't know, dude. Every week I'm like, this week I'm gonna work on getting more sleep. I'm gonna do less this week. It's such a lie. Such a lie.
Sometimes I feel like you have the option to give yourself rest, yeah, but you choose not to. You're also a truth to yourself sometimes.
Yeah. I know because what? Okay, so I don't get a choice about working, right? Like I have to go to work. And then everything else is a choice. So I'm just going to sacrifice my own personal social life, my personal time and shit so I can make sure I'm getting work done the best that I can. No,
Fair enough.
such is life.
But you have to also
All
think about your sleep and rest, baby girl.
I know. Oh fuck. So I
What happened?
renewed my Aura membership and I started wearing my ring again so that I have something yelling at me constantly, telling me how tired I am and how I need to get more sleep. And as I was about to flex, my progress with that, I'm now wearing it. It's in the bathroom. Oops.
That's funny, bro. Even you're trying
Uh,
to help yourself, you're like, yeah, I'm just not gonna listen to my ring today.
bruh. How are you doing, baby girl? What's up?
As you can tell, I've got a cold, guys. Nothing new. I'm always sick. It's either food poisoning or a fever or a cold or my knee is broken. Something's always a problem. But
Hmm.
I'm alive and we keep it pushing. So that's
Yes.
that's what's up.
The bar is so
Okay,
low.
can I say a side story?
Yeah.
In other news, for all my Malayalis out there, I went to see Jassy Gift perform yesterday. My man killed it, yeah. I'm such a big fan. Shout out to that entire show. And like shout out to all the guys that organized that shit because it was fucking dope.
That's cute, dude.
That was my updates. I think that's why I got sick partly because I partied too
So
hard.
do this only. Get sick, go party hard, get sick some more, party hard.
The audacity I have to like give you shit for not wearing your Aura ring, okay?
Have you seen that quote of like what you're not changing, you're choosing? This is us choosing.
So tell us, Sanj, what is today's plan?
You were gonna say. First of all, wait, don't we normally do the introduction? We haven't recorded in so long. We forgot how we do this.
Bro, our brain cells are dying day by day. And yeah, we just haven't recorded in so long. Like we've forgotten the format. Like everything's just up in the air now. Okay, so that's it, guys. Welcome to our podcast. Did I ask for this podcast? Sanj, tell me what it's actually called.
You said that so many times now that I'm starting to like the way it sounds better than did I ask.
Stop, I'm getting shy.
No, like for real, I'm like, should we just change it?
Shut up, we're not changing shit.
Who's gonna notice?
Oh,
Anyway,
but that was cute. Stop it, I'm
um,
getting shy now. I told you eventually you'll come
for
around.
now, I know I am coming around. For now, let's say it's called Did I Ask?
Welcome back, guys. We're back with our
Okay.
bang. You know how it is.
Yes,
So,
sir.
Sanj, tell us, what are we
So
doing today?
today we're gonna do something a little different, something a little fun. We're gonna play Would You Rather. Let's just get into it, bro. Okay, let me show you what I wrote my questions down on. A piece of paper. Can you believe? Like I
Yeah, that's
used a
crazy.
fucking
I
pen,
really
dude,
thought you were
and
going to get
wrote
out some
stuff.
like remarkable notepad and all. The fact that it was just a regular piece of
Oh,
paper,
that
damn, wild.
that's all I want in my life, dude. A remarkable pad. And look at it, like the paper is actually like much bigger and stuff. But like I didn't want anyone at work to see that this is what I was doing.
A tiny corner. Okay, Sanj, you
Okay.
start, bro. Like, let's get this rolling.
Okay. First question. Would you rather get $2 million now or 10K dollars a month for your whole life?
Oh, is there? I have follow up questions. No taxation and all. Yeah, this is like net income.
She directly started doing the accounting. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is like there's no taxes,
If this is net
just card.
income, I think I'm
Okay.
gonna take the monthly allowance.
Why you don't trust yourself?
No, it's not that. I just think that um you said 200,000, right?
2 million.
Oh fuck. Okay, 2 milli. Let me do the real like math real quick. Yeah, hold on. 10K per month. And if I have to convert that to 2 milli, 20, 200 months.
How long do you plan to live for? That's the other question.
Exactly. Now I'm doing the math. What is the likeliness of me being alive for another 200 months? What is 200 months? Again, let's do the math. Divide by 12, which means at least close to 15 years or 20 years, right? Oh, my days. I'm old by then.
We've
GG, bro.
already
I'll take the
lost half
10K.
the people that were watching.
No, no,
So
I'll take
like
the
we only
10K.
have
I'll take the 10K. I decided.
you'll take the 10K.
I'm still choosing 10K per month.
That's dumb, dude.
In
Why?
case I die before I get all my 10Ks, up to the 2 milli at least, can I sign up a
Yeah.
nominee?
What do you think this generational wealth award?
Because think about it, the only way this is fair is if I can at least recover the 2 milli that I didn't pick in the beginning.
No, that's a choice you had. You could have just
Okay, now
taken
see
the
that's
two
an
mil and
okay.
then
Now okay, I didn't even think of inflation.
exactly. I was gonna
God
say the
damn.
same thing. There's no like
Oh fuck!
10K
Now
now
that
is
we
gonna
brought
be like
inflation to the
nothing.
equation, it makes more sense to take the 2 milli now and invest that shit rather than take the 10K per month and then it has lesser value each month. This is a difficult question, bro. That's my conclusion.
There's only two options, not
Hmm.
supposed to be easy.
Okay, fuck it. I'm taking the 2 milli. I changed my option.
So indecisive. So indecisive.
No, no, I'm taking the 2 milli. That's final. Final answer.
What would you do with it?
That's what I'm thinking. What all I'll do? 100% I'm investing it. I'm not using it for myself. That's some bullshit. I think I'm gonna buy some 5, 6 properties and start selling them.
Five, six properties.
Yeah,
Hmm.
okay, 2 mil. Wait, currency is what? USD.
Yeah, USD. You can buy like
USD means
one
no
really
problem,
nice
bro.
property.
No, no, no. I'm not buying. Like, I'll buy property in Dubai itself. For 2 mil
Mm.
USD, I'm sure I can get like at least some three properties I can get. Or maybe four also I'll make it like different sizes. One I'll get fancy, one I'll get studio, like different options. And then I'll put it on the
Mm.
market. And oh, I saw this reel the other day, which is talking about make so much money that you can buy your ex's property and put it back in the market. Not gonna lie. That's a good motivation to have. I would
Okay, that's
actually
actually
be
really.
keen on stealing all of my excess money with that 2 mil.
Hmm. That's a good life goal, dude.
Yeah,
Okay, so
facts.
two
It's a
mil.
very strong motivation to have. Yeah, 2 mil. And I'll put it in investments. I will diversify my assets and I'll put it back in the market. I'll roll my money. It's so nice to say such big, big words, yeah.
Ah, she's a finance guru.
I'm a finance bro.
Fuck yeah. Yeah, even I would do the 2 mil for sure. Bro, even like any normal bank now will give you 5% interest. So like
Wait. I have so many questions. What would you do with the money though?
what do I do with the money? I'm saying like you're getting back your
Yeah.
like you'll make more than 10K if you just invest it wisely. You'll
Yeah,
make
yeah,
more
yeah.
than
I
10K a
understood
month.
what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Any bank will give. I died, bro. No, but for real though, like what would you do with the 2 mil?
Yeah, dude, even I would fucking invest it only, obviously. It's so lame.
Ah, we're so
Maybe
lame.
I'll invest it in like yeah, in stocks basically.
I was expecting a like more interesting answer than mine.
I
One
know
throw a
we're both
party
so
and all.
lame, dude. Yeah.
Bro,
I mean, yeah,
Ibiza.
like whatever money we get from the dividends, we'll throw party.
We party with it.
We party wisely.
Facts. Maybe of the properties that I buy, one property I'll maintain as like Airbnb to party whenever we want. I have an interesting one.
Okay.
If you get 10,000 USD net income for every centimeter of height you lose, how many centimeters of height are you willing to lose?
Oh, that's really tough. How much am I getting? 10,000.
10,000 per centimeter.
10,000 USD. Nah, bro. Fuck. It's okay. You keep the money.
So you'd rather keep your height than get money?
Yeah, no shit.
Oh, interesting. I had a very different answer.
First of all, you're very short. Why are you willing to lose any
Exactly.
height?
I was like, I'm already short. Okay. In fact, this question affects me the most because if I lose more inches, I'm gone. But I'm thinking I'm willing to lose up to 5 centimeters.
5 centimeters. Can you do like half
Yeah.
centimeter and all?
No, no, just do full centimeter. Keep it simple. So you want 5,000
Hmm.
USD or chuti or what? Just take the 10 and lose one. You're already tall. It's okay for you to lose one too, bro.
That's the thing. I don't consider myself tall. So I don't know how you're willing to lose 5 centimeters. Like you can't afford to, bro. I'm telling you.
Yeah, I actually can't afford to lose them, but I don't mind. Like, I will lose five
Yeah,
and
already
become
when I'm
even more
talking
short.
to you, my neck hurts. It's like looking at your phone, It's like
It's okay. I'm willing to sacrifice my height for 50K USD.
50K USD. Okay, not bad. I guess I could do 1 centimeter if you're like insisting.
No, I'm not insisting. Don't worry, I'll lose that extra centimeter for myself. I'll take 60K. I have no problems being short. I've come to terms with it.
It's fine, yeah. With 60K and all, you can buy a lot of pairs of heels.
Yeah, yeah, fully. First of all, I'll buy heels. If I want that money, I'll do height increasing surgery.
Yeah, bro, you can just buy
Send
new
off.
legs. How much would legs cost? The other day we were looking at the price of a kidney.
That's wild.
Because normally
It's
everyone's
like
like, bro,
200,000
like,
or something, isn't it?
gotta sell one kidney and shit. But then actually, how
No,
much
I
do you
think
think your
kidneys don't
kidney
have
is
that
worth?
much value.
Guess.
It's like, I think maybe like 50,000 or some shit. USD.
No, it's more like
Am I even?
150, but your kidney means 50 only. Max.
How dare you? Wait, how much is it?
It's like 150.
USD?
Yeah.
Fuck me, that's expensive. I thought kidneys don't have that much worth. If you give like your heart and all is big, 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 big things.
Heart and all. First of all, you don't get to donate. Like, you don't have two hearts, idiot. You don't get
No,
to
what I
just
mean
be
is
like,
like,
oh, I'll
some
just sell
people
my
they
heart.
like, yeah, not sell. Oh yeah, that's true. You can't really sell it.
That's
But like
organ
some
donors,
people,
bro. That's like,
yeah, exactly. They donate their organs after death. You harvest my heart.
but the money doesn't.
Maybe
Oh,
my
now
family.
he shares a nominee.
Yeah, can I get a nominee for it? This is wild, bro. Where is this conversation going? Can
Why
I
are
get
all
a
our
nominee for it? What the fuck? Okay, okay, moving on. Go to your next question.
okay? Okay. Okay, this one's interesting. Okay. Would you rather freeze time for 30 seconds every day? Like you'll have one chance every day to freeze time for 30 seconds, or once a day you'll be able to rewind time.
Oh, once a day you get to rewind time. Also 30 seconds? Like what?
Also 30 seconds.
But if I rewind time, that means I still have to relive the same 30 seconds of like
Correct.
whatever had
So
happened,
you
right?
get like another chance to do something, basically.
Oh, so you can redo those 30 seconds
Or
basically.
you do get to redo those 30 seconds. Or you can do something and then take it back, you know? Like if you run into someone at a club, you can quickly do a nice slap and then be like, hi.
Oh, that's actually fun, yeah. Like you do something from your intrusive thoughts and then you can rewind it like it never happened.
Exactly.
Oh, that's
Exactly.
fun. Okay, okay, okay. Let me really think about this. So that's the situation with
Yeah.
rewind. And if I pause 30 seconds in my day, I just get an extra 30 seconds in my day, basically.
Basically.
Or it's kind of like in those 30 seconds, again, I can do intrusive shit, but then nobody will know because everybody else is
Mm.
paused.
Yeah, but keeping with like the
Hmm.
financial, like, what do you call it? The us just trying to make money in every way possible. It's like I feel like the freezing for 30 seconds would be better because then you could just like freeze, steal something from someone, and then like keep on going.
Unfreeze.
Yeah. So
That's
you could
true.
like
That's true.
make
That's
money
true.
every day like that. It could be a
That's true.
side
That's true. That's
hustle,
true. I really like the sound of
but you
that.
can't do much with the rewinding.
Think about it. If I can freeze time, that's also 30 seconds for me to be productive while everybody else is just frozen.
Yeah,
But
but
if you rewind
what are you
time,
gonna
think about it,
do?
like you can see how the stock works or something, then rewind time and you can decide whether you wanted to put money in that stock or not.
Oh, or you could go do horse betting. No, dude, like 30 seconds isn't enough. Then you're like, that's the thing. 30 seconds is just not
No, like
enough
think about
time.
it. If it's like a game bet or something, right? You can rewind those
Yeah.
30 seconds where the game, like the decider of the game, like whether the whatever the match, like what team won
Like
or
say you're
something.
playing like
But can you do
poker,
it?
like is that what you
Yeah, something
mean?
like that. Like blackjack or something. You can go
Mm.
see what. Hand, and then you
Yeah,
rewind the 30 seconds
you
and
could
you decide
probably
whether you
do
want to bet
like
or not.
roulette. Hmm.
Yeah, exactly. You could do roulette, you could do probably even blackjack. Poker, maybe it's more of a long run game, so you don't know, but still you get it. Like, there are some possibilities where you can do like instant betting type shit.
Yeah, that's also true.
How about, okay,
Okay,
I
so
have a
what you
third
would?
proposition here.
Yeah.
You choose freezing, I'll choose rewind, or vice versa, and we'll combine them. It's a good idea.
Okay, so what would that help with?
We'll combine our powers. Like, only we both know we have these powers, and we'll use it to make money, and we live
Mm,
in our money.
that sounds great, bro. But I'll tell you what, imagine,
Hustler
okay, like,
mindset.
fuck yeah, bro, everything's about the bag. So, imagine, okay, you do use, like, you only get to use this, like, power once a day, right? So, say, like, you use it because, like, you stubbed your toe or something and, like, you rewind it 30 seconds and then you get hit by a truck later.
Is it, what is that
No,
effect
what
called?
I mean
Butterfly
is,
effect.
no, no, no. That's not what I mean. I mean, your truth or what you wasted your power, like
On
to
something
fucking
dumb.
unstub your toe on something dumb, or like say you spilled soup on yourself and you're like, oh, rewind, and then later, like you're hit by a bus.
I think if we both choose these powers, we need to have rules. Like, that's dumb. Like, imagine you wait for the entire day. But can you pick and choose which part of the day you want to rewind?
No,
Or do
it's
you just
like
have to
you
choose
just get
instantly
30
without
seconds
knowing?
back immediately. But even
That's
same
exactly
thing
my
with
point. That's
freezing
so
time,
stupid
right?
because
Like
then I don't know what's happening for the rest of the day. Shit.
exactly. What if
This is
something worse
difficult.
happens
This is
and
a lot of
then now you
responsibility to
just
have these powers.
yeah, dude, like what do you do with all this power? Like you'll never end up using it because you'll
Mm.
always be living in fear that something worse could happen.
But you know what they say, no
Decisions,
risk, no gain.
decision. You mean no pain, no gain, no risk, no reward? What the fuck did you just say?
Oh, fuck. Yeah, I meant that.
No
No
risk, no
risk,
gain.
no. I meant that. No risk, no reward, right? So I'm just gonna take the risk and I'm gonna pick just randomly. I think both of them have their own pros and cons, but I'm just gonna pick rewinding type because it sounds more fun.
Yeah, I like the freezing time thing better because then I can fuck
Oh, then
around a
this works
lot.
perfectly for us.
Yeah, it really does. We make a very toxic team.
So yeah, now my full plan is to use these powers together. You pick freezing, I pick rewind, and we'll just see how things work out when it comes.
Agreed. Okay, you
Okay.
want to go next or
So
should
should I
I?
move on to the next one?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, this is also a bit of a gamble question, okay? Oh, wait,
Okay.
where's the question? Hold on. Oh, yeah. You get 50,000. No, what am I saying? Not 50,000. You get $5 million for
It's all
every
about the
spider you
money.
see. Yeah, it's always about money. For
Okay.
every spider you see, that becomes
Okay.
10% bigger than the previous spider you saw.
So either way, I'm seeing spiders and they're getting bigger. Like, what's the question?
No, no, no. You have to make a gamble on whether, if there's a scenario where you see two spiders, if the second spider you see is 10% bigger than the first spider you saw, only then you're getting 5 million USD net income.
Say less, bro. I'll say yes. Go to take a flight to India real quick. I'll come back a billionaire. Every insect you see, the next one is always bigger than the last one.
Good answer, bro. I would have done the same. I feel like this
That's
question
like a
doesn't come with any
no-brainer, dude.
consequence. Yeah, like there's no
There's no,
consequence
there's
to this question.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, nothing to lose. And bro, just go to India. Like once I walked into my apartment in Bangalore, sat on the couch, and from inside the couch, like next to me, a flying cockroach, this like so fucking big,
Yeah,
set free. I
it
was
just
like wow.
love this place.
Lovely. I know,
That's
missed
hectic,
home.
bro. I would have ran out of there.
It do be like that though. What to do?
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you one question. Okay. So this is not really a would you rather question, but it's like you have five options. Okay. So you have to fight Muhammad Ali and he's like really mad, okay? So you have to bring backup. So you have to pick one of five options. You get to bring one heavily sedated Batman, two,
Okay.
eight President Bidens, three, a flock of birds. You can choose the bird. Four, two clones of yourself. Or five, 45 aggressive hamsters.
Good options, Good options. Okay, let's go
Yeah,
down.
right.
Let review these options one by one, yeah. What the fuck was the first one?
Heavily sedated Batman.
Oh, Batman sedated. Yeah, I don't know. I think that would be a little useless, Maybe he's not even awake if he's heavily sedated. And imagine I'm the one who has to take care of Batman while fucking Muhammad Ali is pissed off beating both of us up. I just don't
You're
think
like
it works
holding his
out.
hair and shit.
Yeah, imagine I have to like hold
Real.
up his mask and shit. Like fuck you. And also, it's just gonna ruin Batman for me. Like, bitch, get your shit together. So yeah, that's a
Yeah.
dibs out. The next option was what was it? Biden's.
Eight President Biden's, which I think is the most useless one of them all. It's like,
I fully agree. I was just getting to that. First of all, Biden cannot even take care of himself. Okay? If there are eight Bidens, that's eight times the effort to take care of themselves. So dibs out. He's
correct.
cancelled max. That's Muhammad Ali will
A
look at
flock
them and
of
they'll all
birds.
fall off. So that's a dibs out. The third one was flock of birds, or was it a clone of me?
Flock of birds.
See now this one, I like this. Because if you choose a real
Have
fuck
some
all
potential.
bird, like think about it. I
Like if you
can
have
choose
like
how can I choose how many birds?
emus.
That's exactly what I was gonna
Ah,
say. Imagine I choose a pissed off ostrich.
yeah, bro. Hmm.
Oh,
You
and
could do a
like
lot of
maybe I
damage.
take one of the
Or
ostrich
like
like
a
eggs
lot
and
of
throw it at Muhammad
penguins.
Ali. So the ostrich thinks Muhammad Ali killed its baby,
That's real.
and then the ostrich gets
Bro,
pissed.
forget even like a big bird. Even if you got like a large number of chicken, I would be scared.
Exactly. That's what I was saying. Can I also choose a number? Because if I can choose a large number of any bird, we're good. I think Muhammad Ali cannot beat that many birds. Like it can attack from many angles, up, down,
What about the clones
XYZ
of
plane, like
yourself?
you were saying, is hacky. I don't even think I'll have to get involved. Like I can just sit back and watch the birds do their thing.
That's true, that's true.
So I think this is the choice. But anyway, clones. Again, I know how capable I am and how incapable I am. So I'm just not gonna trust myself with this, right? I am completely useless to my own self in the situation. Um, and what was the last one?
45 aggressive hamsters, which was going to be my pick actually.
Yeah, I was gonna say this is the second option, which seems slightly doable. Because imagine the hamsters could go inside his pants and all. They'll bite him in his crotch and shit. He'll fall.
Not even that, dude. It's like a lose-lose situation for Ali, right? Because, like, okay, like you came out of this huge fight, like having killed 45 hamsters. That's fucked up, dude.
Hamsters.
Like, no one's gonna like you after that. Or you got killed by 45 hamsters. Like, there's no winning.
Yeah, that's hard L for Muhammad Ali. Never.
Exactly.
But I also think the downfall with the hamsters is I've heard they get easily stressed and easily die.
Aww,
So I just feel like flock of birds is my go-to situation, like go-to option in this
that's so
situation. Like
funny.
just
They're just like
find some,
on.
or what if the birds fly away and they don't even help me? That's crazy.
That's true. What if you brought all this back up just for a nice show behind you?
Exactly. The birds are doing some like fucking, what is it called? Hibernation fly off while I'm getting killed there.
Migration?
Oh yeah, migration. I
Hibernation?
said
Fly.
hibernation fly off. Okay, listen, to be fair, I have a cold, guys. My brain is just not working as it should be, yeah? Nah, that's hecky, bro. The fact that I said hibernation fly off. Yeah, that'd be a hard L for me if
Okay.
they fucking flew off, bro.
That's really funny to
Fuck.
think about the hamsters though. Imagine they're just
But yeah,
running
okay.
up
My
to
choice
fight.
is birds. What's yours? Hamsters.
I would pick the hamsters, bro. That it's just cute. I already had my choice when I wrote it down. It's like
So
45
that's your reasoning.
hamsters.
It's just cute.
It's just cute, dude. It gives have you ever played that game? What is it called? Hamatoro?
No.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
I don't even know what
Hamatori?
you're talking about.
Hamatoro? Stop. Okay, never mind.
Tamagotchi?
Stop.
You know what I'm talking
Yeah, I know what a Tamagotchi is, bro. We were both 90s kids. That shit was so hard to take care of.
Yeah, that shit died all the time on me, bro. It was F.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. That was like
Also,
not
I really
happening.
forgot about it. Like after the first day of excitement, it was gone anyway. So,
Same, same, same.
okay,
Okay.
send me your next question. I'm ready.
Okay. So you're on a deserted island with your bestie. Okay. Let's just assume it's not me in this case, okay? Because I don't want to be
Okay.
involved in this question. So you're on
Okay.
a deserted island with someone that you really love, okay? Would you give
Okay.
yourself up to be eaten, or would you eat that person?
No doubt I would eat that person. That's wild.
Yeah, same. Because
Wait,
when I
this
wrote
is
this
actually a
question,
techie question. Let me think about this. Do I really want to come back alive as a cannibal or do I just want to die? That's like hectic, two very extreme options.
yeah, when you come back, you'll have the trauma of knowing that you only survived because you ate your best
I kill
friend or
my
you
own
ate the person you love.
bestie by eating them. That's wild. That's nasty. And also think about it, there's no guarantee I'll survive. Like imagine I eat my bestie. Now I've lost the companionship and I died on the island anyway because I never got back home.
Hmm. But you
That's
have to
sad.
try to survive. Do you feel like your survival instinct will just kick in that moment? Like you just won't have any other choice?
Okay, if I'm answering as myself and like a normal, sane human, I do think my survival instincts would kick in, but it would not be to eat the only friend I have on the island. It would be to work together as a team and figure out normal food, yeah. But given this hypothetical situation where we're unable to work together and one of us has to eat somebody, I think my choice is to eat my friend, bro. I'm so sorry you're gone. Maybe if I come back, I can just tell the island kill the person. Like I don't have to reveal that I ate them.
Wow, so
Or
now you're a
or
cannibal and a
maybe
liar.
like, or maybe I come back and I gaslight people into maybe it's not gaslighting. Maybe I'm genuinely traumatized by the situation. So I tell people I was so traumatized I had to eat my friend to stay alive, and then people just feel fucking terrible for me that I had to deal with this, and then I get the empathy of the world. Could go that
Which
way as
people?
well.
Who is going to be friends with you after that?
That's true. People might be scared to be on an island with me alone after this, or be alone with me
Forget
anywhere
that.
in general.
I wouldn't go anywhere with you, bro. Can't even take you to the washroom then.
The funniest thing is when you were asking this question, instantly my thought was, "You're on the island with me, yeah." So imagine I'm eating you, bro. That arm looking real tasty right now.
I was thinking the same thing. I'm like, if it's you, I'm not even waiting for someone to ask me the question. I'm just gonna start eating right there. It's like a it's like a buffet, dude. It's like you were made to be eaten on that island.
No, but I'm serious though. I'm definitely gonna eat the bitch, bro. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, same, same. I'm like, this is what friendship is. Like you need to be able to give
So
yourself.
wait, what's your reasoning though? Like, why are you eating somebody, bro? That's crazy. You're gonna come back as a cannibal.
I don't give a fuck, dude. Like I was on the deserted island. Like was anyone else there? No. It was me. It was my choice.
So
That's
you
what
are
I'm
also
saying. I don't care.
alive.
I'm saying if it's you on the island, I'm eating you regardless whether whether I stay alive, whether I
Whether
get
there was other
rescued.
food on the island or not, I'm getting eaten, yeah.
I don't give a
Oh
fuck.
shit.
Before
How
nightfall,
I'm
you're
supposed to
gone.
come anywhere with you now, bro? What the fuck?
You're
You've had
gone,
no
brother.
shame in
Gone.
admitting you're belting me.
Nah, bro. Even if there was a group with me on the island, I would still eat you.
So you're not even
You
willing to
just look
work on
like
this together as a team? Like maybe we eat the others first and then we eat each other.
that's a bit gay, dude.
I'm not gonna lie, like if we're both on the island, it's just a matter of who eats whom first, right? And I think I'm not gonna give you that chance now that I know this is your intention.
I mean, it's not
Before
really
the
your
boat even
choice.
crashes on the island, I'm eating you. In the boat. If I can see we're headed towards the crash, I'm starting to belt off, bro.
Forget the crash. She
You'll
sees
be
land.
missing
She starts
some.
chewing.
Yeah, yeah, I'll start chomping down. Like, if maybe I'll start with like your thumb or some shit, so you don't have like opposable thumbs anymore. Like, you're just damaged.
Dude, that doesn't do shit. I saw this reel of one guy who was born without thumbs, and he's like, he can fully like do everything, dude. Like hold the water bottle, pour himself a glass of water and shit. Like the reel was very
But
enlightening. It
that's
was like
that's because
amazing.
he's gotten accustomed to that life, right? Like he was born that way. You weren't.
Mm.
You're gone without your thumbs.
Okay, but bitch, you just lost 5 centimeter, so I'll take you
Oh
regardless. Like,
shit, that's a good point.
please,
I don't have as much
okay,
reach anymore. Yeah, shit,
brother,
that's a
you
good
lose
point.
5 centimeter, you're the height of my knee. Okay, I'll just step on you. You'll become a nice
That's
chapati.
actually true, bro. Fuck, I've lost my like reach capability. You do have more advantage that way. It would
It's
be
okay. You
difficult
have
to
all
get to
your
like your head or some shit to like whack you down or something to eat you easily.
no, no. Sit there with your
That's a good point.
50,000.
You do
We can
have an
help you just
advantage
on
over
the
me like
island.
that. That's it. I just have to use my big beefy brain to figure out a way around this and eat you first.
This is why I'm saying I would eat you regardless, cause yum, bro.
And the audacity to say this shit after I said hibernation fly off.
Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next question. Yeah, let me ask one now.
ask, ask.
I actually have very similar questions to yours, not gonna lie.
Go for it.
Oh, this is an interesting one, okay? Two of your fingers, they can dispense whatever liquids you choose. Which fingers are you
Ew.
choosing and what liquids? But both the fingers will
Ew.
dispense the same liquid.
Okay. Hmm. Both the fingers. So like if I pick my index finger, both hands would dispense that liquid.
No, you can choose any two fingers on any either of your hands and they get to dispense any one liquid of your choosing. So what fingers are you choosing and what liquid?
Only
So think
one
about it
liquid.
like
That's
maybe
hard,
I
dude.
choose to dispense like I don't know, gasoline or some shit so I can just fill petrol in my car.
Hmm. My first instinct was what is the most expensive liquid so I can just go sell it.
See, that's a good idea too, like
'Cause
melted
I was
gold.
like,
Lump
you
out.
can like make like a lot of metals liquid, right? Like liquid silver and stuff.
Exactly, that's what, like mercury or some shit.
Mercury,
I don't
kill
think mercury is
yourself.
very
There only.
expensive.
It's
Yeah,
very
lama.
poisonous.
Imagine you got a cut on that finger that dispenses mercury, you're dying.
Yeah, cancel. Or like say, oh, I'm so dumb. I was like, what if your finger could dispense blood? And fucking
Dude, you're
like, oh my
actually an
god,
idiot.
you
This is
could
why I'm
save so
meeting you
many
first
lives.
on the island. Because you say shit like this.
We're both dying on that island, bro.
Yeah, fairs.
Mm. But then I was like, dude, like actually the most helpful liquid that you could dispense is just fucking water with some
Yeah, that's
electrolytes
true.
would be nice. Yeah, because anywhere, everywhere I can be hydrated now. Like that'd
That's
be
true.
really
The
nice.
most useful liquid could be water in many senses. Like you could drink it, you could like wash yourself with it. Like you just have endless opportunity with
Yeah,
water. You could sell
it's
it,
just
like you
so
said.
you could
I was
sell it
thinking
and
more
in
along the
Dubai
lines of like
premium.
facts. Yeah, like you can sell it to those restaurants that sell it for 25 dirhams a bottle. Lamau.
I'll be like,
Yeah. No, but I was thinking more along the lines of like I want to put a liquid in there that's gonna like come to use for like self defense. Like maybe I put some I don't know, something that burns people or some shit.
like acid or something.
Yeah, like acid or like I want to put like maybe I don't know, venom or some shit. So if a man comes to attack me, it's going in there.
I just want to know how this liquid is triggered because imagine you're just like wiping your butt or something and that's it.
I just assumed it's in my control. Like I can point and shoot and then the liquid comes out. Like it's not gonna randomly come out if I don't want it to. That's true though.
Mm,
Like if I'm wiping my ass and a fucking acid comes out of there, that's an F.
yeah, that is enough. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna
Yeah.
definitely pick water because I just want to be able to go to a rave and not have to stand in a line to go get water, or like
Valid,
never
bro.
have to
Water is
think
actually quite useful.
about getting water. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I want to stick to. I
Ew.
actually liked your idea of like going for some expensive ass liquid as well. So I think I'm gonna go for something like that. Like maybe I'll put some acid or some really rare liquid metal or some shit.
That would be cool. You could fully make your own jewelry.
Again, new proposition here. Maybe we work as a team.
Yeah, agreed. I'll do water, so I'll
Also,
keep
what
us
fingers are you
hydrated.
choosing, bro?
Of course, the middle finger, bro.
Oh, that's a good one. I didn't think of that. I was thinking, yeah, maybe you're right. Maybe like a gun. I do index and middle and I shoot acid into someone's
Yeah.
eyes.
Yeah, that's a good one. Because have you seen that? I mean, I'm sure you have, like when someone goes like, look at this, and then they like wind up their middle finger. Imagine now
Yeah.
it's also a fountain that squirts water out. Like,
Additional magic trick. Facts, facts. That's a good one.
yeah, it's a performance. Okay. Would you rather see heaven or hell for 30 minutes and then you have to dip?
Oh, that's a cute one. I think I'm gonna choose heaven. Just because. Like, okay, I'll tell you. If I see heaven and I see that it is what it's painted out to be, then I can also believe that there is a hell. Okay? That's first things first.
Mm.
Second thing is, if I see heaven and it's great and it's as amazing and it's like, yeah, like painted out to be, then it gives me motivation to be a good person and actually try to make it there.
Mhm.
So Yeah, that's it.
But what if now you see heaven and you don't get in? Like you didn't qualify, bro.
But that's still in my control, in it. Like I get to be a good person and then go there.
No, but what if you already had didn't qualify? Like you just
I
got to
already
see
like
it.
I saw it only after I fucked up real bad. And I can
Because
just sit and regret
like
that I didn't be a good person.
yeah. And now you go to
Like
hell
think about it.
anyway,
Either way,
and
I'm
now
going to
you
hell
know
now.
about
Fuck it. Like what can I do about it now? Anyway, my life is over. I'm going to hell. Fuck it. At least
that.
I got the
Would it
30
be the
minutes of
same
heaven to enjoy.
like like if you went to hell, would you believe in a heaven?
I mean, yeah, I think so in it. Like it's like, okay, if there is the concept of hell is true, then why not the concept of heaven? Why is only one true but not the other? That doesn't make sense.
That's true, that's true, that's
Like
true.
think about it, you die, you're a good person, you were supposed to go to heaven, but there's no heaven. But if you were a bad person, you're definitely going to hell. So even death is
Honestly,
unfair?
that
That's
sounds like
crazy.
that's probably what reality is also. Let's see.
No, I would choose heaven anyway, just for vibes. If let's say like you said, it is a scenario where I'm anyway going to hell now because I was just a shitty person. At least I got to live those 30 minutes of nice times and I can regret that I wasn't a better person, which I'll probably do
Yeah.
anyway if I was anyway going to hell.
Hmm. Damn, that's the gamble though. You like before going, you need to know where you're going. Because if you go to heaven and you know you're going to heaven, you can just go back to earth, die, and then go to heaven.
Yeah. But that's the thing. I'm like seeing it at a scenario where it's like I get to see it early enough so I can fix myself and actually go to heaven. But if it's like you're saying it's a gamble, then bro, what can I do now? No option.
Okay, fair, fair, fair.
What about you?
I would choose heaven, dude. Because, bro, like when you if you go to hell and you're just seeing people like tortured, whatever, like yeah, maybe it could make you want to change your life. But I know myself, I'm not gonna change like that. So, like, because I didn't feel your pain. I didn't feel anything that you're going through. Like, yeah, I'll be a little scared, but what if that fades away, you know? But if you
Over
see
time, you're
heaven,
like, I
you're
can
like,
handle it.
you don't know, you know. Like you've seen a lot of gory
Yeah, yeah,
things
true,
like
true.
in movies and stuff, but like you've never really felt it. But if you
Yeah,
see
yeah, yeah, I
heaven,
agree.
then at least you're motivated towards something like whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, 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 100%. Why, even for that 30 minutes, I need to see some torturous shit when I can see the good side and
Yeah, dude, 30
that
minutes
itself
is
can
a
motivate
really
me.
long time. Like, have you ever used the
It's like a
Stairmaster?
promotion.
Bro, that is hell.
You're like, I've already had a taste of it in the gym.
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask you one, yeah, a little light-hearted one. This is dumb as hell. But
Uh,
would you rather shit a pineapple or piss a grape?
Oh no. Oh.
It's the fact that you said, oh no.
The way my whole
They
body
all feel
clenched,
painful.
it all feels painful. Because I was like, yo, bro, first of all, can you even peel a grape? That's fucked up, dude.
I mean, it is quite big, but like, at least it's not like fucking thorny, you get me? Like, it's not sharp.
Yeah, but the hole is not even a hole.
Yeah, I fully agree. It's just a point. I don't know. I
Yeah,
just feel like
it's a
between the two
singularity.
evils, the grape is the lesser of the two evils. So I would just pick the grape and get it over.
I would pick the pineapple, bro. That's crazy. The grape is going to
Oh my god,
like
you'd be okay with all of that like sharp shit going through your asshole?
bro. There are sizes of pineapple, grape and all. I know the whole. Okay, that grape, no matter what size it is, it's not happening. Like, what are you saying?
Okay,
Whereas,
but think about it,
if you
okay?
watched,
The pineapple the pineapple could give you razor cuts in your bum hole.
okay, but the grape is going to rip through. Now you will have a butthole and a butthole.
No, but like see,
What are you
the piss
saying?
is still coming from the bladder and the bladder is big enough to hold grapes. So
Yeah, but you
maybe
have to pee it
the
out,
other hole
right?
and the pipe just accommodates the size of the grape eventually. It's like, when you're giving birth, how it becomes bigger. Same thing.
It's not the same thing though. This is like wishful thinking on your part. It's like, yeah, you can hope, but like you don't know. At least you know that like your butthole, because like if you've watched in the past, you know that your butthole can, okay, possibly,
Yeah, I agree. Your
possibly.
butthole is more versatile in that manner, but I just feel
And
like the
I
thorns,
feel like
bro, that's just
I'm
too much.
imagining the way a pineapple is shaped, right? It's like it would be much harder to put it in than take it out. Do you get what I'm saying?
I'm so concerned for you.
No, but think
I
about
think
it. Like the spines. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
But you don't get to choose which direction the pineapple's coming out. Like, what if it comes out of the leaves first? That's so much worse.
Stop.
That's
Okay, then yeah, depending on the orientation of the pineapple, I would pick grape.
shut up. We went into so much detail for this stupid question. Okay, let's just say you pick pineapple, I pick grape. Okay, let's end it there.
Done, done, done. Agreed, agreed. How much money would it take for your for a sex tape of you to get leaked?
Oh, wild, 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 wild. See, I know I love money, okay, but there's just certain things where I draw the line, and I feel like this is one of them because I don't think I would look very
Hmm.
great in it. If I looked real sexy on there,
How much money
but
would it be
overall,
though?
I told you I know my capabilities and my incapabilities. This falls under the category of incapability. So I'm just gonna say that's not happening.
At all? What if it was like $4 billion?
If I was held at gunpoint and they're like, you have to tell us an amount and then we're gonna drop this. So I have to take some money.
So you either
Maybe I'll
die
take
or
some
you take
real,
a
like,
$1 billion. What?
not even million, that's too less, bro. Maybe I take like a billion or some shit, like, like some
That's what I'm saying.
unfathomable amount of
Forget the
money.
gun. Forget the gun. Like say it was like $4 billion. Okay. What about then?
If I really have no choice but to choose an amount for it to get leaked, I'd definitely take some real crazy amount of money, bro, like 100 billion. Net income
Okay.
dollars, huh? Don't tax me on that 100 billion. And I said billion.
What if no one you knew would see it?
Fuck it, 100 billion. Why am I
Then how
holding
much would
back?
it be?
Give me money.
Like what is your minimum
100
amount?
billion, minimum is 100 billion, I told you. You take it or leave it.
100
If you don't want my
billion,
sex tape,
100 billion,
bills, bro.
100
I
billion.
better be
So
the richest person on the planet.
you're telling me 99 billion? You'll be like, no.
Correct. That
What a
hundredth
joke.
one is where I change my mind.
You're such a
It doesn't
chooch,
matter,
dude.
bro, how
You're,
many people are
so-
seeing it, who all are seeing it. If you want that tape, you pay me the money. Otherwise, you're not getting it. I'm sorry.
you're such a liar, dude.
Think about it.
I
The
know you
ball's in
would.
my court. Why am I lowballing? Who
The
really
ball's in
wants
your
this
court.
tape? Shut up. Who really wants this tape that they're willing to give me this much money, bro? I just think it doesn't make sense.
They're
I'm
not.
genuinely doing the rest of the world a favor by not having
They're
to see
not.
this
That's
video.
what I'm saying. They're not giving you that money, is what I'm saying.
So
100
then they're not
billion
getting
she
the tape.
wants.
Then they're not getting the tape. It's a win-win situation for me.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough.
What about
What
you?
if you couldn't see your face in it?
Oh! So you can't really recognize it's me.
Yeah. Only you would know that it's you.
That's interesting. I mean, what stops me from charging 100 billion is my question here.
The
Is there a cap on how much money they can afford?
No, it's your minimum amount. I'm saying would if you're again saying 100 billion, I'm saying would you not take 99 billion? Like stop lying, fucker.
No, but that's why I'm asking the follow-up question. Is there a constraint on whoever is buying this from me? Like, why can't I still ask for 100 billion?
You can, but you're not trying to sell a product. I'm saying you're like being held hostage in this situation, like you're being like blackmailed or whatnot. You're like, no, can I sell it for
I
this
love
much
how
though?
the blackmail is like, we'll make a fair deal. We'll give you money, but just charge a reasonable amount. Okay, fine, I'll be reasonable and all that. Maybe I'll take um 50 billion.
Billion. Bro, shut your
Yeah,
mouth.
yeah, yeah. I want to be a billionaire with this sex tape, bro. Just say amount, dude. I'm just saying I'm an expensive bitch.
I would not be like 50 billion and all. That's crazy, bro. I would be like 1 billion is fine.
Oh, not bad, not bad. So, what are the other additional clauses? Like your face shouldn't be seen. You're like, or nobody you know would see it, or what? What are the
I'm
different
not answering
clauses?
all that. It's going to sound damn cheap now after your 50 billion, 100 billion. Shut your ass.
Basically, guys, she's saying that she'll do it for 1 million regardless. So you know who to contact first.
Shut up,
Once you
bitch.
have the funds, you can contact me.
I'm being realistic, okay?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
That's much more of a realistic amount. Like imagine somebody's like, I'm gonna kill you or give me a reasonable number, and I'm just there like 50 billion.
Yeah. Which
Damn, just
you're
getting
getting
shot.
killed and your sex tape is getting released.
Getting leaked. Oh my god, L's on L's. Fuck, that's how BT. Okay, in that scenario, if I really have to give a reasonable number,
I hate you.
can I say 100 mil? Is that
Oh,
reasonable?
from 100 billion, she has come to 100 million.
Yeah, because my life's worth more than that. It's gonna be so F if I do show all this cock. They kill me and then they leak it for free. Might as well take the maximum amount of money I can get from this and dip.
Dude, fuck off. You're dead and your sex tape is leaked now. Don't ask any more
Fuck, bro.
questions.
That's an F, bro. But okay, I think
Great
this is where
way
we
to
end the
end this
episode,
episode
guys.
now.
Yeah, guys, for all of these would you rather's, please tell us your answers. Yeah, I feel like we were damn like stupid on this shit, which is generally our usual selves anyway.
But this was
I
fun.
think
This
the
was actually
funniest,
kind of.
this was damn fun. I feel like it was so interesting, all of our answers.
We should play more games.
Yeah, I totally agree.
Okay, you guys. It's bedtime now. I'm about to go put on PJs
Yeah,
and pass out.
I'm fucking starving, so I'm gonna go have some dinner. I'll see your focus later, innit? It was so fun to shoot this episode. Come back again next week, guys. Mwah.
Okay, friends. We'll talk soon. Bye. See you next week.
That was my rendition of our outro track.